All right. First start up in a couple days. Made some major change. I don't know, one significant change. Replaced the map sensor. That's a manifold something pressure sensor, which I think affects the throttle body openings. I had a guy from ADV Rider, Brian, come over and help me do some tests on the bike. And so he's got one of those diagnostic tools, and it indicated that maybe the map sensor was faulty, based on the difference between the barometric pressure reading and the manifold, I think, intake pressure readings. And so they're supposed to be the same, and they were quite a bit off. So replaced that, and that was a couple days ago. And so this is the first time I'm starting the bike. So we'll see if that actually made any difference. All right, cross the fingers. There it is. Voltage says 12.8 volts. So that's actually lower than normal. We're in neutral. Da-dun, da-da. And here we go. Started right away. I don't know what that means. But yeah, that started right away. So, the other, so there were two changes. We replaced so I'm gonna turn that off. So we actually made two changes. So, which replaced that map sensor, but also I disconnected the booster plug. So I had a booster plug connected in here. So I disconnected the booster plug as well. It's possible that the booster plug may have been making the bike run also really rich. So I don't really like doing two things like that, making two changes, because they're not really sure which change really made the difference. A lot of people having starting problems are not running booster plugs, so presumably that's not going to do with it. But anyway, in my case, perhaps it might be that the map sensor was faulty. So we'll show that again. So as you saw, it started, boom, piece of cake right away, no issues. Oops, that's not. Oh, look at that! No, it doesn't want to start. Oh my God, what the hell? Unbelievable. Yeah, so that's not it. Started one time. So that's unusual, because normally it starts, then the next time you go to start it, it starts right away. It's not starting. Oh my God. All right, so what I'm going to do now to try to start it, I'm going to roll the throttle. So on. I have the throttle rolled on, and then I'm going to hit the start. Nope, that did not work. I got the throttle. So, nope, that didn't make a difference. I got excited for a moment, thought that fixed it. Oh, I don't know. I just cranked the throttle just now as it was trying to start, and then it started. So I don't know. I got starting problems. It's not. I don't think the map sensor didn't make a difference. Unplugging the booster plug didn't make a difference. I do have a new battery. I don't really think it's a battery. The battery seems to test strong, so I really don't think it's a battery. I might try the battery anyway, though. But clearly, my starting problems still exist. So darn bummer. Didn't make a difference. Oh, you know what I didn't do, which I had been doing, which I don't really normally do anyway, was waiting for that fuel priming thing. I don't think that's going to do with it, frankly. That's unstarted. I don't know, man. I just don't know. Freaking don't know this thing.